Sick of hitting website blocked on your school iPad? Schools lock down iPads using three main methods: MDM profiles, remote management tools like Jamf or Mozilla block apps and sites. Network filters, Wi-Fi firewalls block keywords, e.g. games, social. Screen time restrictions, admin-controlled settings disable Safari changes. Fix 1, use a web proxy. Go to a free proxy site like hive.me or kproxy. Paste your blocked URL, no installs needed. But proxies are slow, and schools often block them. Fix 2, switch to mobile data. Turn off Wi-Fi and use cellular data. Simple, but drains data and won't bypass MDM. Fix 3, custom DNS. In Wi-Fi settings, change DNS to 1.1.1.1, Cloudflare, or 8.8.8.8, Google. Works if schools only block domains, not IPs. These tricks buy time but won't defeat MDM. For real freedom, we need heavier artillery. Meet MagFone iPhone Unlocker, the only tool that erases MDM locks without factory resetting your iPad. MagFone dismantles the MDM profile in 5 to 10 minutes. And it will not cause the data loss.